Now Foods, Ultra Omega 3, 500 DPA/250 DHA, 90 soft gels. Product Overview Description: Cardiovascular support, molecularly distilled, enteric-coated, supports brain health. A dietary supplement, cholesterol-free, kosher, contains gelatin. Omega-3 fish oils, family owned since 1968, GMP quality assured. Supportive but not conclusive research show that consumption of EPA and DHA omega-3 fatty acids may reduce the risk of coronary heart disease. The natural fish oil concentrate used in this softgel is manufactured under strict quality control standards. It is tested to be free of potentially harmful levels of contaminants, i.e. mercury, heavy metals, PCBs, dioxins and other contaminants. Those who experience nausea or reflux from other fish oils should find this enteric-coated, odor-controlled softgel easier to tolerate. Suggested use: take one softgel 1 to 2 times daily with food. Other ingredients: softgel capsule, bovine gelatin, glycerin, enteric coating, water, and vitamin E, as natural d-alpha-tocopherol. Contains fish, anchovies, vitamin E from soy. Fish oil is product of Peru and Chile. Not manufactured with yeast, wheat, gluten, milk, egg or shellfish ingredients. Produced in a GMP facility that processes other ingredients containing these allergens. Warnings. Caution: for adult only. Consult physician if pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition. Keep out of reach of children. Do not heat freshness packet. Keep in bottle. Store in a cool, dry place after opening. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.